you put up with a roommate who ruins your life all the time? Find out in our new video. The roommates are sleeping tight, but not for long. Dave, turns out you are a sleepwalker. Working out when you are asleep saves so much time. And here's the iconic moonwalk. Who's here? Hey, your bed is on the other side. Did my roommate forget something? Go to your own bed. Whoa, you are a sleepwalker. Good old stapler, help me out. Now that's better. Sleep tight, I have to go. I can't move! Alex! Somebody! Help me! It would be great to do this dirty laundry. I'll surprise Alex and do his laundry too. He'll be so happy. Where are all my clothes? Dave, you again! Whoa! A cheerleader outfit today? Cheerleading is a hot trend, Mr. Prescott. All right, I'm almost done. Aw, man, I dropped my tools. I have an idea. I'll borrow some socks. The guys won't notice anything. Pull a sock onto a wide tape roll. Hot glue the sock to a belt. Add a few more socks. I can work like a professional with this organizer. Where did you put my socks? Tell me! I didn't even touch them. My socks disappeared. Where's the other one? Give me my socks back. Do you need a handyman?
What?
Okay then, I'm gonna leave. Dave is texting his girlfriend in the middle of the night. I can't handle this. Can you mute your phone? I can't sleep. Alex, calm down. Unbelievable! How many messages can one person send? My revenge will be terrible. Make a cut in a milk bottle. Clean a fake phone with a sanitizer. Put a phone in the bottle. Cover the hole with tape. Pour milk in the bottle. Some people are so lucky. They can get a full night of sleep. Good morning, Alex. Milk. I love it. Come on, drink. Oh no, my phone! Why is it in here? My morning just turned good. A good movie and chips are a perfect combo. I'm out of cocoa. I'll go get it. Chips! My secret passion. It's got this it's burny, melty. It's not really a smoky taste. It's got this ba-boom, zap kind of taste. Divine treasure. I can't stop. There's nothing left? How come? I know. I'll do a little trick. Dave won't even notice. That's a raw potato! Alex! Happy birthday, dear Mr. Prescott! Oh, I'll call you back. I'm getting congratulated on my birthday. Thanks, Dave. That's so sweet. Thank you for everything you do for us. Congrats again. Oh, is it really the security guard's birthday today? I forgot. I need to come up with something right now. What present should I give him? That's not right. A shirt. It's perfect. Fold the back of an old men's t-shirt. Pin it. Trace the template of a person. Cut it out. We get a few little figurines. Hot glue them to a satin ribbon. Shape a garland. Mr. Prescott, this is your birthday gift. You can hang it on the wall to create birthday vibes. Is this for me? How nice! Thanks! I'll decorate the wall right here. Do you like it? Awesome! It looks so much better! Mr. Prescott, Alex, see you! Alex, what is this decoration made from? Whoops, I have to go! What? Where's the toilet paper? Alex! Where did you put all the toilet paper? I found a hilarious toilet paper pyramid video and decided to copy it. Use a plastic box. Make holes in the sides with the tip of a hot glue gun. Attach warning stickers to the sides. Join a metallic chain to the box. Fasten it with a cable tie. Wrap chains around the box. Put locks on the chains. Well, where's the toilet paper? It was in the cabinet. What's that? Locked paper? Dave! Mr. Prescott, let's play video games. Thanks, Alex, but no, I need to do some work. Mr. Prescott, are you ready? The championship is starting. Dave, you can persuade anyone. Just a second. Yeah. Done. Come on. A snack? Great idea. Let's go. So, you are playing without me? Here's some tasty cookies for you then. Microwave butter. Add 1 egg. Put in sugar. Join with flour. Roll out the dough in a thin layer. Cut out 2 circles. Put a sardine on 1 circle. Cover it with the other circle. Decorate with chocolate chips. Bake in an oven till it's ready. Yay! Victory! Have some cookies. Thanks, I'd love one. Chocolate chip is my favorite. Ew! It's disgusting. You can keep your cookie. I need to go. What's wrong? Ew! Alex, I'm begging you. Help me out. A girl is about to come by. That girl. Can you leave for a little while? Sure, no problem. Ha! Leave? That ain't gonna happen. They are coming. I'll hide under the bed. Here, look. I have exactly what you need. Dave, this is terrible. But that's not me. Wait! Alex, we can't leave this dog outside. What do you have? Dogs are not allowed in the dorm. Mr. Prescott, look at this baby. How can you kick it out? No and no. No dogs at our dorm. It's adorable. But no. Mr. Prescott, package for you. Thanks, I'm on my way. This is our chance. Run! Give me the pillow. Alex, are you sure it's a good idea? Print out a picture of a dog paw print. Cut it out with a utility knife. Use the template to apply acrylic paint to a pillowcase. Make a few imprints so it looks like dog paw prints. Alex, hurry! What's taking you so long? Do you like it? It's impressive! Phew, it's heavy! What's that? Paw prints? There was a dog here! I'm gonna get you! Oh no! Let me in! Unfortunately, Mr. Prescott, our doors close at 11. The rules apply to everyone! Did you like our roommate adventures? Then comment below what you liked the most. A phone in a milk bottle, cookies with fish, or a sock organizer? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new funny videos from Troom.